second, I'll give two important information to you. Let 1 more minute, we'll wait.
This much strength only coming, sir, daily. Up to 30 only, sir. More than 30.
Remaining all, I hope they stopped studies. They are taking care of cattle, buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep. Let them. Like just like our Venkateshwar Reddy is there, no? Parents are least bothered. First of all, parents. Because you are not staying in the campus. It is the responsibility of the parent to make the student to attend for the classes. How long will be telling cho, cho, cho? Arun, am I right or not? It is the duty of the parent. For example, Kritik Teja's mother is there. She will do wonderful follow. Make him to sit, she'll make him to study. Like this, each and every parent has to take initiation. Now you are all away from the campus.
Not there, sir.
You are all away from the campus. In campus, if you are not following instruction, that is different. That is the default of principal, and that is the default of branch head and teachers, and especially Sanjay sir. So, and coming to when you people are staying at home, you are away from the campus from almost 6 months, then how far school management is responsible? Parents has to take care. Array classes are there, morning 6:30 to 11 o'clock. My son is attending classes on. They need to check out. So, for example, myself is there. For me, there is no need of check out of other neighbor student, no, whether he is attending classes or not. I need to take care of my own child. Then who will take care? That parents has to realize first. When parents are least bothered about the student when he is attending his own what is attending classes or not, then his life will be question mark. Okay, the first point is, let us 33 or 34. Am I right, Bangad? Ramotar Bangad?
Along with you,
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 35, sir.
पेरेंट्स फॉलोअप करेंगे तो कौन फॉलोअप करते हैं? अब ये टाइम पे कोरोना टाइम पे मैं संजय सर को हर घर को भेजाया कर ले. किसी को कोरोना लग गया तो संजय सर को उठा के वो हुसैन सागर में डाल देते आप लोग. Is it or not? So, my dear students, the first important information is yesterday Dev Prasad Das Swamiji has conducted meeting to all the principals and Brahma Vidya coordinator, stating that Monday to Saturday attendance of 10th class, either 9th class or 8th class, whatever it may be, how it has to be taken into account to send to the CBSE board. Compulsory, they are supposed to attend the spiritual assembly. ఎవరైతే ఫ్రైడే రోజు స్పిరిచువల్ అసెంబ్లీకి అటెండ్ అవుతారో అతనికి మాత్రమే మండే నుంచి సాటర్డే అటెండెన్స్ వేయబడుతుంది, లేకపోతే అటెండెన్స్ లేదు. ఇంకో ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఒకవేళ మీకు అటెండెన్స్ లేకపోతే వీ కెనాట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ యువర్ నేమ్ టు ద CBSE board. Again, you are supposed to submit something, whatever it may be. Because CBSE board is strictly asking to conduct online classes. Okay, so each and every student today, Friday, I hope Amanna sir is not there. So if he is there, let him take the attendance of all the students who had attended today. I'll take the screenshot also. So compulsory, all the students should attend the spiritual assembly on Friday. Saikiran Reddy, are you following? 4759. Compulsory nana ante స్వామీజీ చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే చదువు కన్నా కూడా ఒక్కరోజు స్పిరిచువల్ అసెంబ్లీకి ఖచ్చితంగా స్టూడెంట్ రావాలి. మన స్కూల్కి బయట వేరే స్కూల్స్కి తేడా ఏంటంటే మన దగ్గర స్పిరిచువాలిటీ ఉంటుంది. With this, at least you will change. You will respect your parent, you will respect your elders, you will respect your sisters, you will respect each and everyone, and your life will be good. And you had seen in Narayana and Sri Chaitanya how many suicides will be going on. Many suicides. Last year, almost 25 to 30 students suicides. ఎందువల్లంటే చేయలేక స్టడీస్ చేయలేక డిప్రెషన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. సో ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మనం తట్టుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే we should have faith in God. Only faith in God. I am not asking to trust your Swamiji. I am asking to trust which God you are believing. ఆయన మీద, ఆ దేవుడి మీద మీకు నమ్మకం ఉండాలి. అది రావాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఇలాంటి సెషన్స్ అటెండ్ అవుతారు. మీకు యూ కెన్, బికాస్ సమ్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టువర్డ్స్ లార్డ్ శివ, సమ్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టువర్డ్ లార్డ్ వెంకటేశ్వర, డిఫరెంట్. బట్ ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఇస్ దెర్ షుడ్ బి ఫెయిత్ ఇన్ గాడ్. భగవంతుడు ఒక్కడే, మనమే ఆయన్ని వేరేగా చూస్తాం. కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్? తరుణ్. ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారో లిస్ట్ చూసుకోనా? ఈ లిస్ట్ నాకు పంపించి
తరుణ్ absent, sir.
తరుణ్
Sir,
ఆప్షన్.
Tarun on the way to Tirupati, sir.
Tirupati, sir. Tirupati.
వెరీ గుడ్. అక్షయ్ శ్రీరంగ, ఐఎమ్ మేకింగ్ యూ హోస్ట్.
Okay.
ఒకసారి నేను ముందు స్క్రీన్ చేసుకొని తర్వాత నేను అండ్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. అక్షయ్ శ్రీరంగ హోస్ట్. ఎవరన్నా జాయిన్ అవుతున్నానో వాళ్ళని క్లాస్ కాలేజ్.
Okay, sir.
So Akshay Sriranga is noting down all the students' names, and all these people are attending the class, are attending the spiritual assembly today. Second important point is NTSC examination. It is conducted by the central government, and it is allotted to all the states. National Talent Search Examination. You can see NTSC, even in Google also you can see. As per State Board of Telangana, the examination last date is 10th November. Those who are interested to pay to go for NTSC examination, sir, what is the use of NTSC? This is the NTSC examination as per the instruction of Central CBSE Board. It will be conducted in all the states. If any student got selected in NTSC level 1, for him, till his post graduation, 1250 into 12 per month, 1250 rupees stipend will be given. So 12 into 1250 you can calculate yourself. Until your post graduation or PhD, sorry, not post graduation, till PhD, you will be getting this scholarship. So it is my sincere advice to all the students, only 9th class, 10th class syllabus only. It is not Narayana syllabus, it is not Sri Chaitanya syllabus. It is only completely 9th, 10th CBSE syllabus only. It will have examination like MAT and SAT, mental ability test, and other one is scholastic aptitude test. This test will be conducted in one day only. And this amount will be paid to State Board of Telangana in DO office. I don't know, maximum it will be 125 only. So I'm looking like that. So 125 rupees. The online chalana has to be done by the school. School will do all this process. Those who are interested, like toppers who are there, they can appear for this examination. If any topper is also not interested, they can also appear for the examination. So it depends on you. So how many of you are going to write the examination? Please send in WhatsApp. ఎవరు రాయాలనుకుంటున్నారో. SAT అంటే కంప్లీట్గా మీకున్న 9th and 10th class syllabus, maths and science. Science means botany, physics, chemistry. All the three will be there. Completely multiple choice only. And coming to math, mental aptitude test, that is reasoning will be there, verbal will be there, non-verbal will be there. అంటే ఒక అడ్రస్ ఇస్తాడు, మళ్ళీ ఒక 5 అడ్రసెస్ ఇస్తాడు. దాంట్లో ఈ అడ్రస్ కరెక్ట్గా అంటే ఏదో ఒక లెటర్ మిస్ చేస్తాడు, అది యూ నీడ్ టు చెక్అవుట్. అండ్ ABCD is given with 2, 3, 4, 5 code, And what about the next sequence, EFGH? This is called mental ability. So, as per the instructions of director, sir, you attempt the examination because it is not it is conducted by the central board. If you are selected in the level, till your post graduation, you will be getting your scholarship. చాలా మంది రాస్తారు స్కాలర్షిప్ కోసం.
We get selected level 1 only we will get, sir.
Level 1, level 2 also will be there. Level 2 will be the only, it is for the sake of examination they will conduct. Okay. Level 1 you have to be selected. If you are selected,
Sir, we will get some resource, sir, to read. Source we will get, sir, to read.
I did not get you.
Sir,
some
syllabus is asking.
Material something he is asking, sir.
9th class syllabus, you can see in online, you can check out NTSC syllabus, National Talent Search Examination, NTSC. 9th class and 10th class, only NCRT, no state syllabus. Complete NCRT only. Kritik, is it clear?
Sir,
NTSC.
Kritik is raising hands.
Yeah, let whoever is interested. Akshay Srinanga also will write. Gautam Datta also will write.
Sir,
Right?
negative marking will be there, sir.
No negative marks. No negative marks.
Sir, if we qualify level 1, so
We'll be writing level 2 in June examination. June month. That dates also already I posted. Level 1, level 2. If you are selected in level 2 is easy only for you because level 1 only is difficult. Level 2 is easy. No need to worry about it. So every one of you do hard work. Those who are interested to write the examination.
Sir, material will be there, sir.
మెటీరియల్ మీ సిబిఎస్ఈ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఏనా 9th 10th సిలబస్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. ఒకవేళ మీకు కావాలి అనుకుంటే ఐ హ్యాడ్ మెటీరియల్ లైక్ ఎన్టీఎస్సి మెటీరియల్ ఉంది అండ్ బుక్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దేర్. ఐ విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ టు యూ టు పర్చేస్. కంప్లీట్ ఓన్లీ ఒక బుక్ ఉంటుంది ఎన్టీఎస్సి. ఆఫ్టర్ ది క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ యూ దట్ యూ పర్చేస్. ఓకే.
Okay, sir.
విల్ బి అరౌండ్ 300 or 350 or సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. ఆ ఒక్క బుక్ లో మీకు టోటల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది. ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్, మెంటల్ మ్యాథ్ ఉంటుంది, సాట్ ఉంటుంది, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే.
సార్ మ్యాథ్ సాట్ అంటే ఆప్షనల్ లేకపోతే రెండు రాయాలా సార్?
అదేనా, మ్యాథ్ ఏమో ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు మార్నింగ్ సెషన్ లో 90 marks కి. సాట్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి పృథ్వీ సాట్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 90 marks టోటల్ అయ్యా. 180 marks 180 marks కి.
ఓకే సార్.
నేను మ్యాథ్ రాసి నేను సాట్ రాయను అంటే కుదరదు.
ఓకే సార్.
రెండు రాయాలి.
sir, flash news another, sir.
What ma?
2 flash newses.
Please repeat.
Sir, 2 flash news చెప్తాను కదా సార్.
ఇదే నాన్న ఒక ఫ్లాష్ న్యూస్ ఏంటంటే మీరు స్పిరిచువల్ అసెంబ్లీకి అటెండ్ అయితేనే మీ స్వామిది అటెండెన్స్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
సెకండ్ ఏమో ఎన్టీఎస్. రెండే.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్ ఈ మనం పేరు అటెండ్ కావాలంటే మీకు పెట్టాలా సార్ మెసేజ్?
అన్ని యూ డైరెక్ట్లీ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ రాజేష్ నాన్న. అంటే ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఫ్రమ్ స్కూల్ ఓన్లీ. వీ నీడ్ టు డూ ఇట్ ఫర్ డిఓ ఆఫీస్. ఇప్పుడు మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా డిఓ ఆఫీస్లో చేస్తున్నాం కూడా, బట్ స్కూల్ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి. నేను అందుకనే మీకు పెట్టాను. స్కూల్కి ఒక లాగిన్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తారు. అది తర్వాత పేమెంట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆన్లైన్ చేయాలి. అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో చెక్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్. మీకు హాల్ టికెట్స్ వస్తాయి. అప్పుడు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మనకు మహబూబ్ నగరే ఇస్తారు సెంటర్. అక్కడే వెళ్ళి ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. మహబూబ్ నగరే. There is no other place. Only Mahbub Nagar. Not at Jarchalla.
This is not online, sir.
No online. This NTSC, CBSE కి సంబంధించిన అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ బాబు అన్ని నీట్ కి ఇలా కండక్ట్ చేశారు. సేఫ్టీ ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకొని కండక్ట్ చేశారు. Okay.
Sir, what is the qualifying marks, sir?
We can't say. It all depends. That is called cutoff. Cutoff under that. What is it? Is called cutoff. Cutoff అనేది దీంట్లో one plus point is there. So for example, OBC అనేది ఉండదు. One is general, that is open category. For example, any Reddys are there, Brahmins are there. They all comes under what? General category, open category. And those who are like SC, ST ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళ cutoff mark తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. For example, Kritik Tejas కి 75 cutoff ఉంది అనుకున్నానా? ఓకే. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 180కి 75 కట్ ఆఫ్ ఉంది అనుకో. ఫర్ ఎస్సీ ఎస్టీ వాటికి 60K కట్ ఆఫ్ ఉంది. వాడు 60 మార్క్స్ ఇచ్చుకున్నాడంటే వాడు క్వాలిఫైడ్ టు సెకండ్ లెవెల్ పండగ. And if any student is physically handicapped, PH, for them also special cutoff will be there. It will be around 50 marks only, physically handicapped. Okay, these are all written by mana road hero. KCR కాదు, రోడ్ హీరో రాశారు. రోడ్ హీరో, ROA.
మోడీ
No, who
పెద్ద తాత.
road
He's
hero?
doing for Telangana.
No, road hero means in every state you can see one statue of B.R. Ambedkar. So a street naadi అని చెప్పి
Every colony, sir.
Okay, we'll do revision now. Almost over.
Level 1 exam ఎప్పుడు ఉంది సార్?
సార్ కార్బన్ అనే కంపౌండ్.
Examination that already I posted, Nana. You see, in the month of December, examination will be. నేను గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టాను, నువ్వు గ్రూప్ లో చూడలేదు అనమాట. ఫేస్బుక్ లో బిజీగా ఉన్నట్టున్నావు. In group I followed Jawar भेजा है ना, देखा आप सर्वेश जावर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yesterday only.
Sir, last date to apply is the 10th of December, sir.
10th December నాన్న. తర్వాత మేము దాన్ని ఆన్లైన్ చేయాలి, చూడ దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ దాన్ని ఆన్లైన్ చేయాలి. ఎవరు చేయాలి? స్కూల్ వాళ్ళు చేయాలి. And that is what 12th December is the last. With the penalty కొంత టైం ఇస్తారు మళ్ళీ. దీనికి కూడా పెనాల్టీలు ఉంటాయి.
Sir, writing centers ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి?
ఓన్లీ మహబూబ్ నగర్ బేటా, మహబూబ్ నగర్. జడ్చల నుంచి మహబూబ్ నగర్, ఇండియా నుంచి పాకిస్తాన్ అంత డిస్టెన్స్ అయితే లేదు, వెళ్ళి రాయొచ్చు. Okay, my dear students, and today because as a part of revision, so revision because examination from November 2nd onwards, so I'll be asking questions to you, so be ready. First chapter is chemical reactions and equations. I hope you are all doing revision part. So my question will be to first Kritik Tejas, next question to Govardhan Datta, next question to Akshay Sriranga, and Arshit Reddy is not attending classes, therefore no question to him.
Sir.
Attending classes?
Sir.
Chemical reaction means what? Mr. Kritik Tejas, what do you understand by chemical reaction?
Sir, it is an irreversible change, and the components of the product side is different from the reactant.
So you can say like this: it is a process in which one or more substances react to form new substance. It's a process in which two or more substances, like magnesium, reacts with oxygen, and it gives rise to a new substance, that is magnesium oxide. It is a process. It is a process. Please note down. It is a process in which one. Okay. Next question to Govardhan Datta. What is chemical equation? Chemical reaction over. What is chemical equation? Can I clear the screen? What is chemical equation? Mr. Govardhan Datta, P. Tarun. Who is this Tarun? He is different Tarun. No? Terms of the symbols, formula, and the ratio of the number of molecules. Okay, I'll write it here. Chemical equation. Next question. Chemical equation. What is this chemical equation? It is the shorthand. NO2A. Just now we had seen Mg plus O2. And magnesium only. So shorthand notation of కొన్ని వాటిలో సింబల్స్ తీసుకుంటాం, కొన్ని వాటిలో ఫార్ములాస్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ magnesium is there. Magnesium symbol is Mg, and the ratio of the Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Ratio of the number of these two are called as reactants. What is the product? Magnesium oxide. So every day mother will be making you breakfast. So she will take some bansi rava, add it with oil, add it with some other substances like spicy items. Okay. So what she prepared for you? Nice upma ready. Upma. Product is upma. Reactants is bansi rava
Rava.
and oil, some spices items. Okay. Karivepaku అన్ని వేస్తారు కదా అవన్నీ reactants.
Conditions of heat.
చూడండి మనం ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ గా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం ఫస్ట్.
Sir, a balanced chemical equation is that. Sir, a balanced chemical equation is that in which the total number of atoms of each element are equal on both sides of the equation.
Very nice, very nice. Claps. Good, good. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Can I clear the screen? చదువుకోకపోతే లైఫ్ లేదు. వితౌట్ స్టడీస్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో లైఫ్. లేవు మాకు ఒక 50-100 పశువులు ఉన్నాయి ఈక్వేషన్. అక్షయ్ శ్రీరంగ వన్స్
Yes, sir.
సుమన్ సార్ will take daily one period. Regular period will be there. Chemistry I'll take up. Physics Raghavaditya. And Suman sir will take up mathematics. Biology చదువుకోండి. బయాలజీలో ఏముండదు, డైరెక్ట్ చదువుకుంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది అది. సోది సబ్జెక్ట్ జస్ట్ లైక్ సోషల్. సోదమ్మ సోది అని ఉంటుంది కదా, సోషల్ కూడా ఉంటుంది నా దాంట్లో. ఐ ఫర్గాట్ టు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ యూ. సోషల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దేర్, ఇంగ్లీష్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దేర్.
Sir, we need to write all or we choose?
All. I did not get.
Sir, we need to write all. We can choose some subjects.
No बेटा, SAT के तो पूरा आता बेटा, सबके 20 मार्क्स डिवाइड करके आते. इंग्लिश फर्स्ट आता, ओके. उसके बाद आपको मैथ्स देते, मैथ्स के बाद साइंस, साइंस के बाद सोशल. SAT में पूरा 90 मार्क्स को डिवीजन आता. आई विल सेंड यू सब्जेक्ट वाइज मार्क्स भी भेजा देते. कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है उसका वेटेज कितना करके. बट इन मैथ 90 मार्क्स टोटली वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल, completely like aptitude test it is. So next
Sir, keep the book in the group, sir. We will purchase the
I'll send it. Next, Harshit Reddy. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What do you means? How many types of chemical equations are there? How many types of chemical equations are there? Chemical equation is nothing but chemical reaction also. Both are one and the same only. I'm asking you how many types of chemical equations or reactions are there?
Sir, there are 4 types of chemical reactions.
Right. Okay. What are they?
Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reactions, and double displacement reactions.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Good. Very nice. Very good.
Sir, oxidation and reduction.
That one comes under what means that comes under double displacement reaction is oxidation reduction. Okay, under displacement reaction we learn about exothermic and endothermic. Okay, just don't get confused. Types. Harshit Reddy, well done. You good. You did a good job. You informed types of. One is combination reaction. Combination reaction.
Decomposition.
Second one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third one is
Displacement.
displacement reaction. Fourth one,
Double displacement.
Double displacement. Sai Rohit absent.
Present, sir.
Okay, double displacement.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, double displacement. Next, Akshay Srilinga, get ready.
Okay, sir.
What do you mean by combination reaction?
Sir, combination reaction means it is a chemical change in which elements combine together to give rise a new compound.
You can
Example,
say,
C plus O2,
right, very
CO2.
good. You can say either elements or compounds.
Okay, sir.
You can say either elements or compound. I mean, suppose
Okay, sir.
CaO is there, calcium oxide, reacts with water. It is a compound. This is also a compound.
Yes, sir, compound.
So just now you said C plus O2. This is two or what elements? Element can combine with the compound, or compound can combine with element, or two compounds or two elements, whatever it may be. So combining, that's it. So
Okay,
it gives rise to CaO plus H2O gives rise to what? CaOH taken twice. CaOH taken twice. Good. Combination reaction, you good? You explained clearly? You are explained?
Sir, means we should write elements or compounds. No, sir?
Yeah, two or more substances you write. It is a
Okay, sir.
chemical change. It is a chemical change. It is a chemical change in which two or more substances. It is a chemical change in which two or more substances. They compulsory ravalana spiritual assembly. You inform to other friends also.
Okay.
Each and every student you communicate to other students also. They did with Bangalore branch and with Hyderabad branch also the same process. Because now Devaprasad Das Swamiji is coming onto the screen. We are all employees. If he has taken the decision, we need to follow. Again, I am repeating Akshay Sriranga. It is a chemical change in which two or more substances, in brackets, you write elements or compounds. When you open the
Okay.
bracket, in bracket, you write elements or compounds. Again,
Right on the screen, sir.
I am repeating.
Sir, write down on screen, sir.
Govardhan Datta, again I am repeating. It is a chemical change in which two or more substances, 2 ante nana TWO2. Two or more substances, ORR, two or more substances, in brackets, elements or compounds, close the bracket, combine to form a single substance. Example, here CaO in bracket S, H2O in bracket L. L ante Suman Saru. Okay, ala kaadu nana. S ante solid, L ante liquid.
G ante gaseous.
What is its state? A state lo undi. Calcium oxide in solid in state. Water is in liquid in state. Then calcium hydroxide will be in AQ.
Aqueous
Solution. Aqueous అనే బదులు అక్కడ aquaculture అని fish pond prawn culture అది రాయొద్దు. AQ stand for aqua అని రాయొద్దు. It is aqueous solution. So in next class I'll ask question to you. Thermal decomposition means what? Electric decomposition means what? Photo decomposition means what? These are the types. Harshit Reddy. We answer చేయాలి. Thermal decomposition అంటే ఏంటి? Electric decomposition ante enti, photo decomposition ante enti. You have to answer. I hope my voice is audible to
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we are interested in the name to the Rajasthan, sir.
your voice is